Hey everybody, it's Christine, and today I have a stamped card for you. I am now doing some design work for Hampton Art and using their stamps. And so today I'm going to be working with the Too Cool for School collection from Jillibean Soup. Now I'm going to be using both the patterned papers from this collection as well as the stamp set. So you can see right now I am stamping some gears. The stamp set has several different gear designs on it, and so I'm just stamping those in 2 different shades of blue and a shade of lime green. And then I am going to use those really as the focal point on my card. This collection from Jillibean Soup is a brand new one, just came out with this winter release, and it is perfect for boy moms. So many great colors in it, and it has all kinds of fun designs, fun patterned papers, fun stickers, and the stamps just make it even more fun. I'm always, of course, drawn to a boy set because I have 3 boys, and granted, I do have a girl too, but, when you've got 3 boys, you're always on the lookout for a good boy collection. Now, what I'm doing with the gears, I took them and I ran them through my metal die cut machine and cut them out to be circular shaped. You can see some of them have a bigger border on them than others because I just used a straight up circle, and so I used a few different sizes there, but I was limited to what I had on hand. This is just a stamp set. It's not one that comes with metal dies. A lot of the Hampton Art stamp sets do have dies, but this is one that doesn't. And so I went with just plain old circles instead of trying to fussy cut around all those little gear pieces. I wasn't up for that. So you can see circles, and now I'm adding some brads in the center of them. These are silver brads from Doodlebug Design, and I'm adding those for a couple reasons. Number one, I want them to kind of spin so they'll look like gears moving. Number two, I wanted to add some metal into the card and give it some more of a strong masculine feel and add some texture that way. So that's what I'm doing with these. These are all the exact same size brads. They all are from Doodlebug. I don't have a lot of brads on hand anymore, and so I kind of went with whatever I had on hand, and I thought silver worked perfectly. Now you can see I am adding those onto this white strip of cardstock. This is just a 3-inch strip of paper, and I wanted to get it so that the gears could be a focal point on the card, but I'm having to do some, mixing and matching and moving things around to consider which colors go where, which sizes go where, and all that. And you can see I'm kind of messing around with it, trying to figure out what just the right fit is. I want them to look like they're all connected, and so they'll spin, in my mind, they're spinning all at the same time. Obviously, it's a card. They're not actually going to all move like that. But to have that feel of when you see the gears all connected and they're moving each other down the line, that was the goal that I was going for here. So I'm securing those all onto that white cardstock, and then I'm going to bring in some of the patterned paper from this collection. Now, as you can see off to the left, that's one of the patterned papers in this collection. I love that paper right there. Cute design, great colors, and you can see I really used the colors from that to be the colors that I did for my gears. Thankfully, I had stamp pads for all of them. That doesn't always happen that way, but in this case, it worked out really well. So now I'm going to secure the patterned paper onto my card with my Easy Runner Grand, and then I'm going to add the white piece using some 3D foam squares, also from Scrapbook Adhesives, and that will get everything into place, ready for me to just add a sentiment. So really, it's a pretty simple card. It's not anything terribly complicated. No coloring, no major fussy cutting, none of that stuff. Just took a really simple approach to it, but it'll be great for a teenage boy or a younger boy, or even, a college-age boy. The sentiment I'm going to use on it also comes from the stamp set, and I just used one of their banner dies that did come from a different stamp set and just cut out the banner, and then I stamped in green, and it says "Getting ready to make the world spin," which fits perfectly with those gears. So that is it. That's my card for Hampton Arts. Be sure to keep an eye out. I will be sharing regular videos with their cards, and I will see you again soon.